guys.
They won't be making Holdens anymore. They've turned off all the lights and shut the factory door. Will the country ever hear the lions roar? They won't be making Holdens anymore. The first one I recall was white and grey, a special, not the Prem, an old EH. The 186 would fly as a nation motored by. There won't be classic Holdens anymore. Me mother bought a Trana spanking new, Caribbean turquoise, kinda green, kinda blue. Velour on the seats and a Stromberg 202. There won't be family Holdens anymore. They won't be making Holdens anymore. Will the young folks ever hear the lions roar as they're taken on the mountain or a Sunday family outing? They won't be making Holdens anymore.
Here he comes. Peter Brock comes across the line to win the 1984 James Hardy 1000.
My first love, a metallic gold LJ. Some thieving mongrel came and stole away. Hounds took bucket seats and the 4-speed on the floor. They won't be racing Tranas anymore. My automotive lust became a van. The love was true, a boy became a man. With red crushed velvet buttons and a mattress on the floor. There won't be love in Holdens anymore. They won't be making Holdens anymore. They've turned off all the lights and locked up all the doors. And what about the people who work the factory floor? They won't be making Holdens anymore. They won't be making Holdens anymore. Will the country ever hear the lions roar? It's not a business failure, it's a tragedy, Australia, that they won't be making Holdens anymore. No, we won't be making Holdens anymore.